The new project. Sarah is an office worker. She arrives at work at 8:30 a.m. First, she turns on her computer. She checks her emails. She has 5 new messages. One email is very important. It is from her manager, Mr. David. The email says, "Hello, Sarah. Please check the new project files today." Sarah opens the project folder on her computer. She reads the files carefully. She takes notes in her notebook. The project is about a new digital marketing plan. At 11 a.m., Sarah has an online meeting. She puts on her headphones. She adjusts her microphone. She joins the video call on time. "Good morning, everyone," Sarah says confidently. During the meeting, she shares her screen. She shows the project slides to her team. She speaks slowly and clearly. "We need to send the final report by Friday," Sarah explains. Her manager smiles and says, "Great job, Sarah. Your presentation is very clear." At 4 p.m., Sarah finishes her work. She saves all her files on the computer. She sends a short reply to Mr. David. "The report is ready, sir." She turns off her computer and goes home. She feels proud of her hard work. Office worker, computer, manager, project folder, notebook, digital marketing plan, online meeting or video call, headphones, microphone, team. Turns on, turns off, checks, opens, reads, takes notes, puts on, adjusts, joins, shares her screen, shows. Very important. Carefully. On time. Confidently. Slowly and clearly. By Friday. Great job. Short reply. Ready. Proud of. Hard work.